Alright, welcome back, motherfuckers. This guy is new to the channel right here, this fat motherfucker. He's twin of this fat motherfucker. Introduce yourself, fat motherfucker.
I'm Nate.
Nate what?
Nate the Nate.
Okay. What are you doing here?
Acting dog.
Okay, that's a fact. Okay, bringing it back with Jerry 65 frame for the Impala. I forgot we had to record, so these guys started working. They already set the rear. You can see the bag is in there. Here's a little mod that we did to the plate. We can't really see, but it's right there. So I kept the UMI spring perch. I cut the little center, and I had the airbag plate welded to the UMI perch. Okay, and on the tops. All right, the video cut off when I was talking about the rear. The rear setup here, I just got to make a little plate to hold it in, so when you jack up the car, the bag doesn't fall through. Doesn't fall through. Doesn't pop out, and then you have to realign it, make sure the cylinder stays in the pocket. So I had these welded on, so I'm just gonna make a little plate and drill a hole and cut this off just enough so it can be flush, and just tighten those down. But the rear's already all fully locked in. It's just do the bags. We're still waiting on the brakes. He took the other brakes that we put on because they don't fit the 14s, but he wants to do 13s wires. The front is already set up. It's locked. We just gotta do the caster bolts. Yeah, caster bolts in the front. Everything is locked and set. I was trying to show you on video, but fucking weather was coming in. We had a good rainstorm for like what, 5-6 days. You see everything is still soaked like that. You see the floor is still soaked. We had a break in the weather for like since yesterday and today, so we're gonna take advantage and start on that piece of shit. So we're just gonna show you the final results on the bags. I was trying to show you on video, but again, we ran out of time because of the fucking weather. But you can see like the water, the bag is soaked in there. You can see the water in there. Let me see if I can zoom. I can't get you, but you can see the water in there because it's collecting inside the cup. So we gotta drain those shits out. All right, Fatboy's gonna give you a demonstration of the bags airing up, and then we're gonna air it back down. Remember, I'm using my phone, so we gotta be very careful with my phone. Fucking GoPro took a shit. Have to send it in for repairs, but I've been super busy. But let's get you a demonstration. That's the front airing up. Now the rear. You can see the front right there, super leaky. Move those buckets then so I can get them a side view. Alright, he's gonna air out, but I'm gonna give you guys a side view. Go ahead, Fatboy, air out. All together, air out. Yeah, go ahead, OSHA approved weight on the front. Go ahead, OSHA approved weight. That's my OSHA approved counterweight. It goes in the front. See? For some reason, the rear is more smooth. All right, that'll be it for this video. For this one, I'll bring it in once we get the brake system in it. I Once we do the brake system, we put the motor in there, and it leaves. So we're still waiting on the brake system, so we can get it ready to leave. But everything is secure. That's secured. We just got to do the caster bolts on this, and we just got to do a little top plate mount. I'll show you guys later when I do that. And that's about it for the frame. All right, I'll bring it on the next one.